At Julka, we've built an extensive range of shower tents and accessories to keep you as comfortable as possible while you're on the road. But now we're excited to introduce our new mounted Ensuite. We've created two versions of the mounted Ensuite. There's a single and the double. The double has, yes, double the floor space with a separating wall, creating a dry, separate room. So what makes our mounted Ensuites different? We gave the bag a bit of extra room so you're not squishing it back into the bag when you try to pack it away, and a black cover so it's going to suit any coloured car. We've tried to keep the size as compact as possible. Both tents are 190mm high and 75mm deep. The single is 1060mm long and the double is 1990mm long. The two tents set up in seconds and pack away just as fast. Setting up the Ensuite is as simple as opening the bag, undoing the Velcro straps, and then let it roll down beside the car. You then pull the two quick release tabs, folding out each arm, and then fold out the bottom and you're good to go. Rolled up in here is a retractable roof so you can have full privacy while you're taking a shower. It's easy to roll out and attach and just velcros to the arms. But the setup on the inside is where it really stands out. First up we have the toiletries. Everything you need while taking a shower right where you need it. A special dry zone so you can hang your towel and clothes and they'll stay completely dry. A laundry hamper to keep your dirty laundry out of sight. And here you can unzip for access to your car. And the shower integration, it's just as easy as our other Ensuites. Right here is your on-off switch, and the shower head is on this repositionable arm so you can get it set up exactly how you need it. The back panel here is also magnetic, so you have options for how to mount your shower head. Taking a closer look at the double, we really wanted to make it just as quick and easy to set up as the single. For those situations where you only need the one room, you can pull out the shower room, leaving the second room neatly tucked away. But for when you want to use that second room, we've added a rear door that allows access to your vehicle, while also functioning as a fully enclosed room attached to your camper trailer, like we have here. This has a variety of uses, such as a toilet room, a drying room, or a changing room. The height of the tent walls can be adjusted by sliding out the wall bars, rolling up the excess fabric into the wall bars, and just like that, your tent's customized to the height of your vehicle. And no matter the height adjustment, the side walls go all the way to the roof, so when you zip it up, you've got coverage from all angles. The material is heavy duty and it's made to hold up in the elements. It's 150 denier ripstop nylon, so you won't get any big tears in the fabric, and it's built to be rigid enough to minimize flapping. The team here at Julka are super excited to see these popping up in the wild. Head over to the Julka website to learn more.